Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to cover the 3 principles of pulsing massage. We've decided to keep it very simple, having only 3, and this makes it really easy to remember. It makes it really easy to practice as well. And we're really trying to get to the core of the practice. So the first one is, it's holistic. This means that we're not focusing on treating, isolating little parts of the body or the mind or the person. We're actually looking at treating and approaching the human being in its whole form. And this is exemplified when we give a treatment. We may be working on one part of the body, but as you'll find out, when we pulse one part of the body, you will see there will be a ripple effect that goes through the entire body. So we are looking at treating, we are looking at approaching the body, the mind, the human being as a completed and a complex, sophisticated whole being. The second one is it's rhythmic in nature. If we look at the outside world from the moon cycles, the calendar, the day, the night, we'll see rhythms everywhere in nature. And similarly, there's rhythms all throughout our own physiology, our internal environment with our heartbeat, brain waves, respiratory rate, and so on. So we are working in accordance with, we are working with these natural rhythmic movements through pulsing massage. We are just simply working with nature and not against nature by using rhythm. And the third principle is of relaxation and expansion. Expansion seems to happen when relaxation is present. It's almost like a byproduct. So we are emphasizing relaxation through this process. Through the client or the person we're working on, we want them to be as relaxed as possible, but also in our own approach in treatment. When we're giving treatment, we want to make sure our body is relaxed. We're using energy super efficiently so that we are also able to have an experience of expansion. And the client is also experiencing expansion. These 3 principles, in summary, is that it's holistic, meaning that we are not isolating things or breaking it into small parts, but we are treating as a whole system. It's rhythmic because we're going in accordance with nature and the natural rhythm of flow. And relaxation and expansion. This is where health comes in, this is where vitality comes in, this is where expansion and elevated states of a consciousness come in. This is the 3 principles of pulsing massage. And while we apply it to this modality, it can also be applied for many different aspects of your life. And I invite you to try it out in different areas of your life and see if you also get benefit from that. So this is kind of a life philosophy, if you like, that is born out of pulsing massage. So that's it. That's the 3 principles of pulsing massage. If you have any questions, let me know, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.